Welcome back. Tomorrow is the elections of Philippines. What's now?
Students Day.
It's 12 in the Philippines. So if you had this, if you're a Filipino, you have to vote. Okay? The regular voting hours are 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So for the senior citizens, person with this PWDs and pregnant women, also I don't know that. It's early voting hours 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. You only need to pick one of these. So you need to vote a party list. Vote only one. Don't vote until one, okay? So I can do it. I will vote 111 ASAP na. So look at this, guys. Look, this is right, this is wrong. Okay. This is right. This is right, this is wrong. Okay. Oh, not two, but only one. So Senator, don't vote not to 12. So I will vote little, lapid. No, little. So, lapid. And that's it. The member House of Representatives, don't vote to one. Okay? So, I can't, sorry, Bisa Carlito, but I will vote Di Makuha, Beverly. So, let's see the provincial governor. Also not one. There's so many, no one. So, I know someone. It will be Mike Rivera. Then, the provincial vice governor is Luis Manzano. Then, members sa naming palalawigan, don't vote to two. Okay? I don't know, Family Blanco or Vicente Cantos. Comment down who can I choose, okay? Then Mayor, I don't know you, Marvin Marino. I know Barbara Clemente. Vice Mayor, Sort Alisa Cruz, but Mercado Carlo. Then members ang unahing pangungsod, don't vote to 12. So my mom is going to vote anyone, only one. Nina said he's voting Hamilton Blanco and going to work. Yes, it's just all a day off because it's in Manila. So I will vote Bart Blanco. Okay, so I will show you something. Wait, guys. I can find it in my bookshelf. But I will show you how to. You can shade it. Only one. Shade the circle. Okay? No, I'm not. Now, so it's a sheet. So where's the before the day of the voting, you need to remember who you want to vote. And if it's the voting day, it will be needs to be cool because you're in private and public. Only one member of the House of Representatives, one governor, one vice mayor, one vice governor, one vice mayor. One members of Malalawigan, members of some Pangusudat o Bayan. I'm talking Filipino, okay? Last time in my airplane video. So, don't miss it, guys. If you live in Philippines and have this sheet, I will meet you. Just find these people, and you can see me. So, bye guys for now. See you in the voting day tomorrow. I will make a video tomorrow. Bye guys.